Hey, Bob, what's happening? Oh, that was some storm last night. All that thunder and lightning. Wild.
It was. Are you all okay?
Well, it was a bit scary, wasn't it, Muck?
Nah, I wasn't scared. It was fun.
Right, well, there's been some serious storm damage and we're needed right away.
I can shift it.
I can mix it.
I can dig it.
I can roll it.
I can lift it.
What a team! Scoop, you come with me to check out the roads. Muck and Lofty, I want you to pop up to the farm and make sure everything's all right up there.
What about me, Bob?
Don't worry, Dizzy. I'm sure you're all going to be needed on a day like this.
Can we clear it?
Yes, we can.
I think so, yeah.
See you later.
Come on, Lofty.